Igbo ekewente ekenekwa m ọnụ biko na okwu anụ nkịta bụkwa the same okwu ahụ nkwụ sometime ago asị m ọnụ. Is it not a high time I bịa hold where our local government chairmen and chairwomen are responsible? Is it not a high time? And also Soludo should also be held accountable. You know withhold the ego according to this video. Also you know withhold the ego that is meant for the local government. Money that is meant to federal government with this boss wire to local government how will in a whole dear holding it back. GMA. I remember my video one certain and say I'm from a 10 million not local government. I'm out of money with our local government chairman. I'm out of money. What are your social media handles? There are social media handles you can communicate with your councillor, you can communicate with your president, vice president, other governors. They have you can reach out to them, SA secretary, advisor to the state. You can make your idea. You can easily walk into their office, book an appointment. Again, I joking for 2 days, 3 days. What are you guys doing about it? Okay, let us go reach out to the people that are in charge of those things. I'm gonna their number, go and talk to them, where we'll talk to them, communicate with them, everything and agaga. Man, I can't lie to only legally by how chile go on with your Abiana so masia babunagi. I am Maro, I don't know him. Or can I charge on under appointment or the under elected vote to con under appointment call by dear by power call by dear by in the command Amarom. I am Maro. So then what have you been doing for the people of Idem Million North local government? What are the projects on ground onuji? How many ka governor commission go? How many ka sign into contract? How many ka contractors go also? Gini kun neme n'ụzọ, gini kun neme n'ọkụ security. Nothing onye ọbụla na-akwagali isi na-agagali. Na-akwagali isi zaa afọ. Oluzi ndị taụtụ ndị criminals judo gachi olu ha oje dị chọọ afa ba ha rebrand yoshi. Rebrand yoshi and power olu ha oje dị. Chile egbechi ha. Ikwe ikpe ma agbaka ege egbe, ikwe ikpe ma agbaka ege egbe. No nwere ihe ya eme. So it's time I be the hold one accountable because the way Nigeria dictator, the way this country dictator, obeli here trigger something in this country. Obeli we are just living and staying together for now through the mercy of God. Obeli here trigger something, and when that time comes, ihe edozi na aka ihe ji alo ihe ofo na kali egeji edozi. So is a better time na edozi that in edozi go ali may be final. Because open a phone na maybe na ihe anu nkita maybe ejeje lawyer and say cooking na olori 10,000 a lawyer but no maybe there completely as you go ki go nko for by then you know what 200,000 200 300 but no you 50,000 kwesịrị solve. Why are we like this? Kidi meleno onwere onye bụrụ I don't know onwere onye bụrụ ndị ba ha ya ọnụ na ka ndị Hausa na-eji reach agreement with ndị oshi ndị be ha onye oshi na-erichikwa agreement with ọ na-abakwa mba na inye ha nsogbu that he will back up from the peace deal. Onwebeghị no town government bịa condemn no police no army that we are able to speak up against that, and the same people na-egbu ndị army egbu ndị police. The same place I visit in Dam is it ụfọdụ oge mgbe anyị onwe mgbe anyị nọ somewhere ndị amị chọpụta na-eduje ha dapụl most of them na-akwụ ụgwọ ka anyị eduje na ha ebe ahụ. Nwekwa ndị ya bụ ihe nwere ego ka ha sort themselves out ha faint in the process because they know two things are involved. It's either na Igbo or na-egbu gị. That is it. And most of them are two things involved. It's either in a time peace or in a time pieces. Maybe Bankit or the reach agreement with the Fulani couldn't be an automate is a neighbor on a kind 5 states. Okay, why can't we make that 5 states to be better and governable? The video kuna past governors of Abia State should be held and Piahu is able to water. And likewise goes past governors of this eastern state in any region because we people have eaten more than you can chew, including your all these local government chairmen and any they will know the location to your villages, to your village market. Man, once Hali go there, he chief will say bear. But I say Sabakwanuza with them ba Makichi. Nabakwanuza with them ba Makichi. Oha, Gordon.
If I question here, Joe, Governor Soludo, Obosio no Obia campaign na your area. I'm a national campaign. Mana campaign ukana agakwa. Obosio na Governor Soludo be a campaign na your area because na anywhere mano. It's just that na Obosio program Zion Ministry came and they been so crowded. And well more crowd there. That now a committee any scene only lead to maybe stampede. But the next time, man, Governor Soludo ya, I will make way to ask him a question. Only can make is it's either Nanda security Bujemti na moto. I will say Jawaka, I lose yoka, Governor Sanya, Madam Malaki call Sanya, because I will come with my camera. That question, Johnny here, even those people who have access to the governor, you people should ask governor, Kelifo Diego local government, as a professor, man, a local government is on a critical aspect of any development in every community. Because no, we not local government. Honorable H.S. Anazodo, H. Holmes, Wunyama, Ironi, Nelogolo, and Newi. Onyama ilo can need the urgent attention. Onyama ilo oya prioritize. Onyama projects oya prioritize. So now that is why Ejuwe make a local government autonomy. Because no local government can go out governor. We manage the immediate need of their people. Now, federal government manage here to release local government fund. A state governor, so you know Professor Kawu. Where Manucha all these things, where Manucha, look, let me tell you, if truly defend down a Punobi will have their Shiba, there is no governor yearly siege to local government allocation because name we for Yalo. Now, Joano Governor Soludo senior as only Kamota or as somebody can go you, but as somebody who go with so many other foreign organizations, Roalona. Central Bank as a civil servant all who go advance here join here umuriki gbaniai 1, 2 or 3 reasons ojuwe na hold back local government allocation of 21 local government in Anambra State. Join I want to know the benefit that withholding of that local government to Anambra State. I want to know. You people should ask him this question, and when you want to ask him this question, make sure you are on camera. Apart from those people who don't one-on-one interaction with the governor, because each time we make this video, in the comment section, to Soludo, I have any of them name answer. Rather, if I have na local government and state government and so what? And so what? Hapuno. Local government chairman close to 500 million. The remaining one, with other internally generated revenue. In 4 years, we are fifth year. Local government think we are fifth year. And a kuku mepo Tiano, they will mado. Afufina and Atanoboda, like here. If you see a video like this, share it. I know that more than this more. If I how can somebody say no, Professor? Only can do well. No matter how reserved to handle, no matter how educated the handle, government, they will begin to behave like a typical abulo. There is no way, there is no other reason. Edgeway, see through a House of Assembly. Where Barunde House of Assembly, but we nabo see through House of Assemblies, sorry, ego local government, if not to have control over them. When you force some matter, it is to have control over them. That is the only way. Imagine how when our own local government chairman on our purchase now, they receive close to 500 million every month. If a governor or say, yes, because no man only with the funding direct to do it for Cholero. And the roles local government play, local government chairman, play if they have control over their local government during election. Even in now, want to see how I manipulate, I hijack vote from the very first beginning. Local government chairman will steady one-on-one interaction with his people, not governor Nonoka. So local government chairman where access to such that amount of fund, he can easily have control over his own people, and he can easily tell them, do this or do that, do this or do that. If one governor chances of winning election, that is why Edwena make sure that he will access to that hood fund. I had peanut. Koya nke kweta ha no n'ife okuru nke ahataba afọ ikweta n'ife okuru no n'ife a na-ekwu. All these things we know, but let us assume that no believe. Okay, I am giving Chukwuma Soludo for benefit of doubt. No believe. Let people who we ask him go and ask him, because we want to know the reason battle. Local government and also do your every month. Calculate go do local government in a into 21 local government hand a meet to the state government government every month. Calculate go there for 4 years. Kemale go one local government in a state government in 4 years. Into 21 local government in Anambra state. On a we will guy just not we favor so. Happy. Let the money federal government in your eye. Let us inject that money in the Newi. Before you know it, there are some roads where you can that. For example, you see Azui Beto Bank. Where you go, Liabo, Low Chattage Junction, Siakan New, Jebe Nobi Road, Sikwake Begu, Jeben Kengobros. Local government will get map where go, Bido. Maintain wheeler, before my Mila had on my canteen and no wish woke. Corrado Consuru, go can know. You want to go? So, if you governor Joya to do it's so bad and sad now has a town hall meeting. Peter B. Bidorie, man, governor Haru a machine because see, man, a town hall meeting will be one-on-one interaction with the people. When we how like he we tell you one-on-one new. If I know Babagota as a senator, be the one-on-one interaction with the people. The authority FM. Yes, introduce so back a town hall meeting, Governor Soludo. You are a professor. Peter is just a trader. Yeah? Introduce so a town hall meeting where you will have one-on-one interaction with the people so that you know the mind of the people you are leading. If truly that you people care for Mepopuda. Can you explain to us, Johnny had to do okay, more to 20 or 30 jury in a public place? You can't just do something without giving us a reason. Reason no if a pataro withdraw the local government. No local government. Na project enwerike jero na governor enwerike bia flag ofu project in a month. What are you telling me? What are you telling me? What of monthly state allocation ha na-enye? Or na inwe keta ego na local government go keta ego na that monthly allocation federal government na-enye nke local government on local authorities where develop they are the immediate need of their local people. Take care of it. Yes, Or if you create local government. And local government is supposedly the most active part of any government. The most active. Because all have legal, they know their people know them. When you carry here, and then IGR. Can you vote your name? Can you vote your location? Why are you with the Wolanya? Who call we na nego kill him and no we. Let's say no we not. If I were guy in a this money, it is my money. Njidenka, additional one from state allocation. In your year. Now is I can part of Anambra State. Due to us through internally generated revenue. In your year is our money. And it is meant for development of our place. Governor close. John governor Ajujua. Only for salon. Biano. Why? Kaitune. Malele. Up one before name. Manayamo before name. Up one eye undagot or the Rifanako. Up one eye undagot Rifanako. Now, actually, you know what you get. Or going to mean well. By before name. Sikowala, we need to understand why. You want to go? I'm not the one go the unata. So, governor of your campaign, John Yajuju, Unekwesina Sokone Kwoku. Unekwesina Sokone Kwoku. Biongwa Yoku. Okwachakwa Yoku Ayakwa. One day, man of Kwebo Yabia. One day, man of present Ebo Zoyabia. With my camera, I will make way to ask him a question. And I believe when I ask him a question, because now my governor go, yes, he must answer. Or he should be able to answer. Share this video. Man, I know what he took before we made local government election. Of what use local government election without allowing them to make proper use of the local government fund that they never. Yes, I heard somebody talking about budget. Now local government is supposed to either make a budget before they spend. What are they exactly making budget on? Which money are they making budget on? Anamajuajujo. Federal government in haka for them to make use of it. 500 million. They should be able to make their budget based on the 500 million or 450 million. Then that is when we now begin to look at other parts internally generated revenue, Siabafaka. And the other source of funding is anyway, then we should be able to hold them accountable. But all major money, supposedly, what budget do you want them to make? And it's a harmless question. Share this video. Share this video. We need answers. Man, Anambra State is not of Amma. I'm going to give you a say maybe no Buddha. And on the for Big Brother and Boom Okolobi. No, even when it's on Facebook. Actually, all the man, Elopu Machine, Elopu Mote, Elopa, Miniso, calculate the Jeka watch a Jasamoto. Anyway, share this video.